Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Glady Tech. If you're new to this channel, please do well to tap on the subscription bell to always get notified anytime I upload a video like this. Okay, let's go straight to the point today. Today we'll be talking about how to save or download video on your Telegram. If you don't have a Telegram, go to your Play Store app or your App Store app, depending on the device you are using to download Telegram. Okay, let's go straight to the point. For you to be able to save or download video on your Telegram, this is what you have to do. I'll be using one of the chats that I have here, Solania. Okay, let me look for a video. Okay, this is a video. For you to be able to download this video, what you have to do is to tap on the three dots at the right corner of the video. Then you have to tap, you will see the last option there says save to gallery. So if I tap on it, this video has already been saved to gallery. So let me go to my gallery now. So this is my gallery. I'll go to my saved video. Okay, so you can see in my gallery, you can see that the video has been saved. So this is how to save video from your Telegram using your iPhone or your Android. So guys, if this video was helpful, please do well to tap on the subscription button to always get notified anytime I upload a video like this, and like, comment. I'll always be ready to answer all your questions. Thanks for watching.